Good evening, folks, and welcome to Data Reigns. I'm Sunny Garcia, joined tonight by our signal-slinging storm whisperer, Chip Radar.
Thanks, Sunny. For today's forecast, the outlook is partly cloudy with Arista and Amgen in the 70s, followed by Gartner, CrowdStrike, and Steel Dynamics in the low 50s. Model accuracy is very strong for Arista and Gartner, while weak for the others. Back to you, Sunny.
Thanks, Chip. That's the signal, folks. Tune in at Data Reigns for the next forecast from the DopplerXGB 4000.